What is up? Welcome back to another video. And today, have you ever seen like this like a Vine where there's like Hurricane Katrina, more like Hurricane Tortilla? Well, it starts off pretty funny. Well, of how I've been knowing it, I've seen this like Hurricane Katrina, more like Hurricane Tortilla, when I watched like a video of like hurricane names by a YouTuber named The Bear Whisperer. And it was like, very funny, like, and it showed that Vine. And, like, it's funny, and, like, once I'm in 4th grade when we were learning about something, like, sorry about the shaky camera. Well, like, there was, like, when, like, Hurricane Donna came up from 1950, when it showed up, kids started going like Hurricane Katrina, more like Hurricane Tortilla. I started to laugh. And every time I say to my friend, she has a YouTube channel, said like Hurricane Katrina, she starts saying more like Hurricane Tortilla. Sometimes I'm not trying to say Hurricane Katrina, more like Hurricane Tortilla. In fact, it's actually a Vine. And if you want to see it, go ahead. Here is the Vine right here. I'm about to play it.
Whoa! Hurricane Katrina! More like Hurricane Tortilla.
It's just like a meme. It's pretty much so much about a meme. In fact, well, I hope you liked this video. And if you liked it, then get a big thumbs up. Or if you're still not interested in this video, here are some other videos that I think you'll like on my channel.